guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. So today is a quick get ready. Well, it's not really quick because behind the scenes it takes like hours. But for the most part, today's video, I'm going to be using new products I haven't used before. I use a hair mask from Korea. I use a new lip balm from Tatcha, foundation, makeup, of course, these colors. So why don't you guys grab your makeup and get ready with me. So if you guys like videos like these, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can also hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified on my new uploads. And don't forget to follow me on my IG. Alright guys, if you guys are interested on this look, then please keep on watching. Good morning everybody. So I just got out of the shower. My hair is in a towel. You guys know I can't work without hand lotion, face lotion, hair conditioning, everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and pre-hydrate with a serum. Then I'm gonna follow through with my moisturizer that has sunscreen. This is best to apply on when it's cold. Now I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer that has like no labels on it. It's literally all like taken off, but it is the Every Single Day by Supergoop. This has SPF 40, which I really like because it protects my skin, it gives me the proper hydration that I need, but also gives me like a dewier finish. A lot of times when I wear this and just more sunscreen on top and I don't wear any makeup, a lot of people compliment my skin. Although I have freckles and like red stuff, people are like, oh yeah, really nice skin. Of course, I'm like, no I don't like it. But I think they meant about the glowy and dewiness. Sometimes I'll have like a blemish or two, but for the most part I don't, which I am thankful for, but I do wish I can get rid of all these freckles and these red spots on my face. Since I haven't blow dried my hair yet, I'm actually gonna try this hair mask. Now this is a hair mask that my godmother gifted me when she came back from Korea. And of course everything is in Korean, so I wouldn't know what it's saying. The only thing that's in English or something that I can read would be the word other and like numbers. I don't even know what it says after the letters of the numbers. As you can see, that's the only word I can read, which is other. And of course the word step 1, step 2, and volume chic. Here's a helpful tip. If you guys have something you guys can't read other than English, there is an app called Google Translator that I use a lot of times when I have products or just things I can't read because I can only read English. You can actually scan your phone and it will tell you exactly what it says from one language to English or vice versa. This is pretty cool. I actually did the same thing for my Tony Moly, the peeling mask. I could not read it, so I ended up using my Google Translator and it told me everything that I needed to know. I'm just gonna go ahead and see what it says in the front. Again, I could only read what says step 1 and step 2, so let's see what this says. Hairy, hair rare, high for hair. What? Scalp, so comfy, salon chic steam, hair, clinic hair, salon team clinics. Oh my gosh, it's so weird. Basically, it's saying it's a hair mask. Kaja, flexible and tangible ballroom care, volume care, volume clinic. Clinic. Step 1 is the volume care pack and step 2 is a hot oil hair cap. So just by looking at this, you can tell that this is the solution, which is a conditioning, and then you have I guess it's a cap. I'm thinking it may be saturated with oil, so we're gonna put that on second. Let's just see what it says on the back. Volume Care Steam Hair Mask. Hi, this is Alicia.
This is Healthcare Savers.
Really? Interrupted me for that. Hair steam, this, okay, here we go. Oh, hair cap plus hair cap oil plus hair pack 3 species configuration. What the heck? How to use. Let's just see what that says because it's just telling you what kind it is. Shampoo, then hair drain, which is probably hair being damped. Apply onto the entire hair. I'm not gonna apply it to the scalp because the scalp is gonna be nice and healthy. It's what we need to do is the mid shaft to the bottom ends that's mainly damaged. Then hot oil cap coated, wear the full hair full and well rubbed hair the oil is applied, that can be using the built-in sticker, adjust hair to fit. Okay, so that's to wrap the hair to your head shape, I presume. Take off the back of the paper. Please remove the back of the paper. Just to let you know, the Google Translator can't translate 100%. It's trying to read, so it's like throwing all these different names, and that's why I'm like mumbling about like these different words. Nutrient well absorbing to additive, it massages, help 5 to 15 minutes after taking hair cap to rinse rinse lukewarm water. Pretty self-explanatory. Since my hair is wet, this is the perfect time to do this. I'm just going to rip this bottom part. So it looks like this. This is basically conditioner. This is the conditioner. I'm going to apply this from my mid shaft to my ends because that's the most damaged area. Thankfully, I don't have much hair, so this is just enough. This could not be enough for someone who has thicker hair, longer hair, but this is just enough for me because I literally have like 3 strands of hair. I'm just gonna comb out with my fingers with the remaining products, not too far up my scalp, but just in the mid shaft area once again, and then just kind of get the ends and pull out hair. Ooh, there was more in the corner. I could probably just put my hair in here and just kind of, whoop, there we go. So step 2, we're gonna take this out. It's slimy like a face mask. Oh, here's the tape that is attached to that. This cap is saturated like I did expect it to be. And it's basically just like a bag. Oh, it smells good. So it's just gonna be a hat, and I'm gonna flip my hair over. Let's go ahead and put a timer because I'm not trying to have my hair fall off. Siri, please have a timer for 15 minutes. This is gonna sit for 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and move on to the face. I know, I look a bit crazy. I don't care. I'm just excited because I have some new makeup that I want to try today. I got this new lip balm. This is a lip treatment. This is by Tatcha. It's so pretty. Look at this jar. It's so fancy. It's called the Tatcha Kiss You Lip Mask. Just like all their other moisturizers and creams, it comes with a spoon. Oh, I thought it was rose. It's Japanese peach seed lip jelly. For some reason, I thought it was rose. So since this is my product, I'm just gonna, oh. Look at that. It'll hydrate throughout the rest of the time I'm doing my hair and makeup. Oh. That was a little much. So I'm gonna be using some shadows from this palette here. This is my first Jeffree Stars palette. It's so pretty. It's like pink, has like a holographic color to it. Ooh. I don't know if I want to use all these colors, but it's so pretty. Wow, and this mirror is like huge. It's like everything. I was gonna read the names of these. Welcome back to my channel. That wand noise that he's most famous for. Ooh, Lin 1985. I have a feeling he may be born in 1985. I don't know. Mogul, Self-Made, Dog Mom, Honest Truth. Designer label Mr. Diva, Wake and Bake, Nate. Oh, I think that's his ex-boyfriend, right? I don't know. I heard some vlogs that they separated. I don't know. You guys give me the tea and let me know because I have no idea. Drive Through, Hi Dude, Fast Lane. Colors are so pretty. I don't even want to swatch them or touch them. All right, let's go ahead and swatch a few colors. I'm gonna swatch this first one because I do like these shades. My goodness. Oh, it has like a metallic color to it. It's so creamy and blendable. Girl. Swatching with my left hand, I don't know why. This is a pretty intense color that he actually wears. Dive into this color, Mr. Diva. It does have a little streakiness, but the more you go over it, it does blend nicely, but there's no fallout. Look how pigmented this is. I mean, for a glitter like this, you know I gotta try Dog Mom. Wow. Okay, I'm sorry, this color is My, and then this one here is Self-Made. There's a little fallout because I did it on the side of my wrist here. This green color is Nate. Wow. Sorry guys, I was reading the names all backwards. The gold glitter color is actually called Millions. I'm gonna go in with this color, which is Mr. Diva. Lots of pigment. I don't see any powdery fallouts. That's a good sign. A lot of times when the powder is really fluffy or soft, after I apply this brush onto the palette, it gets powdery already. So far this is a really good texture. Oh my god, I look like a hot mess, seriously. This mirror is everything, guys. Oh my goodness. Ooh. So far it blends really nicely. No complaints here so far. Oh my god, my hair is like wild. So this peach color is really good to use on my skin because it's like a soft beigey color as a base. It also helps eliminate any discolorations on my lids. Sometimes I have like veins or like discoloration, and this just neutralizes it. I rinsed my hair and it's gonna be in a towel until I finish my makeup, and then we're gonna use that bad boy there to dry my hair. Let's try this self-made color. I have never seen myself in a hot pink color. So we're just gonna try that in the crease and see if it mixes the color, because I did start off with a peachy color. So I'm using a new brush that has no color. Can you guys see how much pigment this color has? I'm like, please don't stain my lids. This is such a beautiful color. Wow, this is amazing. Have you guys ever used this? Can we just say wow, guys? I mean, this is pure pigment. Now I'm gonna go in with a flat shadow brush. I'm gonna pack more of this color onto my lids. I'm even packing the color, swiping it back and forth right at my lash line, and I don't see any fallout. This is crazy because I always see these colors on lighter complexions and it's like so pretty and like so pronounced. And now it's like weird looking against my complexion because, I don't know, I'm like that in-between color. But I feel like it pops on more fair complexion and deeper, which is so pretty. I just feel like I'm just like in the middle, like does this even work? I'm sure it does, I'm just not used to this. There's only a little bit here, only because I brought it down and it touched my cheek. But other than that, I don't see any fallouts. And that's what I was concerned about with these colors. They're so bright and pigmented that I will have fallout. Blends so nicely for a matte color as pigmented as this. Insane. Look at this, guys. Pure pink. Never really wear pinks like these. Holy cow, look at how stained this is. This looks like his brush that's dipped in there. You know how he has a brush collection? The hairs are white and I think they're like dipped pink. Maybe he did that because the pigment looks just like this. I'm gonna take the color back, which is like a soft petal color. And I'm gonna take that same brush because I feel like it doesn't come off anywhere. I'm just gonna use this in the crease to lighten it a slight bit. But it's not lightening at all. But I'm just gonna give it a nice little blended color shape right at the crease. Pretty. I'm gonna go with the color 1985. This is a soft crease color. Looks like skin color, and I'm just going to bring this all the way up to my brow bone, just so it has a gradient from darker all the way to lighter. I don't want to have any line of demarcation of the pink. This is just gonna help it soften the blend. Seriously, this look definitely needed some lashes, I tell you. Since I do have lashes and this color is pretty pronounced, I'm gonna have to tightline my upper waterline just because I don't want any skin peeking through. So I'll make sure I don't have any black on my finger. This is so intense for me just because I normally don't wear a hot pink like this. And just for reference, guys, this is the color. Again, it's called Self-Made. I'm going to swatch this and show you. So I'm also going to use another product that is new. And no, this is not the reboot of their famous HD foundation. I mean, it kind of is, but it kind of isn't. It's like the HD foundation, nice and thin, but I believe this formulation's a lot more watery and thinner. So this actually has a lot of good products. It's gonna illuminate, brighten, smooth, firm, hydrate, even out. Also doesn't contain any sunscreen, which I'm a big fan of because sometimes I want foundations that doesn't have it, where I wear it at night. This formulation, guys, it's so nice. And again, I think I have some pink on here, but it's so pretty. It feels so refreshing. I don't know if it's me, but it smells like Play-Doh. Oh my god, it does. Comment down below if some of you guys have used this. It literally smells like Play-Doh. It definitely is a lighter finish. Play-Doh, guys. Oh my god, I swear when I used to be younger, I was so tan. I swear the color I was also Y, but it was like Y 370, 470, I don't know. It was a really dark color. And then I know in the past 15 years, they did change their color ranges and everything because I used to wear this like a long time ago. If I can figure out the shade, I'll put it right here on the corner screen or put it in the info box for you guys. But I used to be like so tan. I definitely will need to use a concealer to build a little bit more, but this is a foundation that's really hydrating. Oh, think of this way. Water Blend and the Makeup Forever HD had a baby. This is what this is. And I'm not mad at it. It's so nice. It just smells like Play-Doh. I go in with my concealer like I normally do, and I'm just gonna color correct under the eyes and of course my redness on the cheeks. I need to work a little fast here only because my hair is about to dry. All right, so that definitely did the trick. I'm gonna use this Givenchy powder to set under my eye and face. Woo! I'm just gonna leave the powder on my face just for a slight bit while I contour with my Kat Von D shade palette and color back into the skin. Looks so white on camera, but I know it's not. Oh! Definitely not white over there. Gonna take this and just blend everything else out. Take a little bit of that yellow powder. I'm gonna go back onto the eyeshadows and just apply a little bit just at the base of my lid. Rim my lower lashes. Now I wanna jump into my brows and just fill it out with some powder. Get a little highlight going on with some Ofra. Oh, use that same highlighter just in my inner eye corner. And of course my brow bone highlights. Let's get this hair dried. So I don't know if you guys can see all these little flyaways. It's driving me nuts. I'm gonna use this Kenra hairspray that's a new formulation and it's a matte finish. It's the matte finishing spray number 16. Ooh, zhuzh it up a little bit. Again, I'm gonna keep it in the glossy form since my eyes are more matte. I hope this is not too nude. Oh yeah, great, it is. Way too nude. Alright guys, this is my completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely stepped out of my comfort zone like I said. I normally don't wear colors like this, so I thought it was gonna be weird looking, but I actually like this color. Alright, so next time I'm going to try a makeup look with some of those hot greens and gold. Maybe like a cut crease or like gold right in the center of that green. Woo! I'm so excited. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!